Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to undo a zip tie without cutting it. This will be a simple cable tie tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have this cable tie, otherwise known as a zip tie, and it's been done up. And oftentimes people will do these up nice and tightly, just like that, and they'll cut them off and waste them because they don't know how to undo them. But if you take a look at how it works, it's really easy. We have these ribs over here, these ridges, okay? And then we have this little tiny little piece right over here, and this piece pushes against those ridges, and that's what prevents it from opening. So if we can manage to get this little piece right here, that little piece right there, and move it to this side here, away from the ridges, then we can open it up. Now take a look at my nails. I don't even have long nails, okay? They're not even long, but what we're going to do is we're going to bend this to the side like this, and that's going to open up this spot right here. I'm going to take this little piece right over here that you can see. I'm going to use my nail to bend it away from the ribs or the ridges, and then I can open up the zip tie. So I'm going to get my nail, place it against there, okay, bend that away from the ridges. Okay, and we're going to try one more time. Let me just try and do this. I'm trying to look at the camera, but I should be looking at the actual unit here. Okay, bring it away just like that. One more time, we're going to try. You got to really get your nail in there. If you have longer nails than me, it's a little bit easier. So as you can see right here, I'm going to get my nail, stick it in there, just like that. Bring it away, and then we can open it up just like that. Very simple. So what I did was I got my nail, I stuck it in there, and I just moved that piece away from the ribs. And that allowed me to open the zip tie. And it's literally that simple. It's really not that hard. Once you've done it once or twice, you can master it. And if you can get an object in there instead of your nail, then you can use something to actually move that piece. But I just like to use my nail, and like I said, my nails aren't even that long, and it works really well. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.